Hello, fourth grade, it's Ms. Trevino. Today I'm going to be going over some more practice for compound predicates, if you weren't quite understanding. So remember that compound predicate is meaning that the subject of the sentence can be doing more than one thing. Okay, so it's going to be more, let's write that out, more than more than one verb, okay? And then, do you know what a verb is? Okay, more than one verb. And so a verb is the action, right? What is the subject doing? So that's what you have to ask yourself. What are they doing? So that means in our sentences, we're looking for two action words, okay? So let's do some practice. We're going to underline the verbs, okay, and the two predicates, the compound predicates, okay? So number one, Molly cooked and served the pizza. Okay, so we're looking for those action words. What did Molly do? Well, she cooked and she served, right? Okay, so we're looking for those two action words. Okay, number two, the pop star sings and strums the guitar. Okay, well, what does she do? She sings and she strums. Number three, the cat licked and bit its paws. What did the cat do? Right, we're looking for the action. Well, what did he do? He licked and he bit. Okay. The cats watch and chase the birds. Okay, again, we're looking for more than one verb, and a verb meaning action. So what was the cat doing? Well, it was watching and chasing the birds. Okay, last one. Erica strummed and picked the guitar. Okay, well, what did Erica do? She strummed and picked. Okay, pretty simple. So remember compound predicates, meaning more than one verb, that they'll have more than one verb in that sentence, okay? Verbs are action words, so that's what we looked for, those two action words in the sentences. Okay, so I'm also going to put up a little anchor chart for you to look at as well, and then hopefully this helped you, and then if you need any more help, just let me know.